wanted to touch my scalp. I just want to keep this hair straight. So I'm just going in and pulling it through. I'll try this at home. I'm a master educator. Been in the industry for over 20 years. So try this at home. Baby. Braids, baby. But I did it. Hot rain, hot rain. Eyes behind shades, this necklace, the reason all of my dates been blind dates through the day. I got my Ferroist girl with me. I'm mashing the gas, she's grabbing the wheel. It's trippy how hard she rides with me. The new body is with me. Only time we don't speak is on Sex in the City. She gets carry fever, but soon as the show's over, she's right back to me and my soldier. Cause mommy's so right up, and I'm a roller. Put us together, how you gon' stop both us? Wherever she likes, I'm right over her shoulder. When I'm on track, mommy is keeping me focused. So blessed, lock this down like it's supposed to be. The O3, Bonnie and Clyde, Hove and B. Holla, all I need is life to say. This me and my girlfriend. Of a tender-headed person. Now y'all see why these kids be screaming and hollering. This stuff hurts for real. For real. I'm speaking up for the children. Now I'm just pulling it through, making sure it's on everything. Every restaurant. Look at it, it's already kicking in. cooking gloves, honey, because I ain't have